Sa video na to, ituturo ko sa inyo kung paano kunin ang first 5 terms. And the equation is a sub n equals 2 times the quantity of n plus 4. Okay, to find the first term or a sub 1, we substitute 1. So a sub n equals 2 times the quantity of n plus 4. Papalitan natin yung n ng 1. So it becomes a sub 1 equals 2 times the quantity of 1 plus 4. So we simplify, ang uunahin nating i-add is yung nandun sa loob ng parenthesis. So 1 plus 4 equals 5. Then 2 times 5 equals 10. So ang first term natin is 10. Okay, next to find the second term or a sub 2, sasubstitute natin ang 2. So a sub 2 equals 2 times n plus 4. Then it becomes a sub 2 equals 2 times the quantity of 2 plus 4. So simplify natin yung nasa loob ng parenthesis. So 2 plus 4 is 6. And then it becomes a sub 2 equals 2 times 6. And 2 times 6 equals 12. And 12 is the second term. Okay, next, to find the third term for a sub 3, isa-substitute natin ang 3. So a sub 3 equals 2 times the quantity of n plus 4. Then it becomes a sub 3 equals 2 times the quantity of 3 plus 4. Then simplify yung nasa loob ng parenthesis. So 3 plus 4 is 7. Then it becomes a sub 3 equals 2 times 7. And 2 times 7 is 14. So 14 is the third term. Okay, next, to find the fourth term or a sub 4, isa-substitute natin ang 4. So now it becomes a sub 4 equals 2 times the quantity of n plus 4. Then substitute 4. So we have a sub 4 equals 2 times the quantity of 4 plus 4. And then simplify natin yung nandun sa loob ng parenthesis. 4 plus 4 is 8. So now we have a sub 4 equals 2 times 8 is 16. So the answer is a sub 4 is equal to 16, and that is our fourth term. And to find the fifth term for a sub 5, we substitute 5. So therefore we have a sub 5 equals 2 times the quantity of n plus 4. And then papalitan natin yung n ng 5. So it becomes a sub 5 equals 2 times the quantity of 5 plus 4. And then simplify natin yung nasa loob ng parenthesis, which is 5 plus 4. 5 plus 4 is 9. Then it becomes a sub 5 equals 2 times 9. Then 2 times 9 is equal to 18. So ang fifth term natin ay 18. So ang first 5 terms ng general rule natin or ng equation na a sub n equals 2 times the quantity of n plus 4 ay 10, 12, 14, 16, 18.